been a very physical game, but this is the atmosphere here. And yeah, this is the atmosphere here. Let me go say hi to some people that I know. Hey guys, welcome back to more Hassan TV. You know, it's been a while, and yeah, I've been quite busy. I'm in beautiful Mogadishu. So today, the plan is I'm gonna take you guys to a basketball game where I'm going to watch one of my friends. He's also a player in the team, and yeah, so we're gonna see the Somali Basketball League, how it plays, and the atmosphere, and you know, and whatnot. So, and then we're gonna watch Hassan, which is my team. It's the LA Lakers of Somali Basketball League, and we're gonna try and see the atmosphere, how it is, and you know, try to meet some of the players as well. So that should give us exclusive access to, you know, to the ground and whatnot. So yeah, guys, this is my little view, and then come follow me to the basketball game. Right, off to the game. Let's go. Let's go watch this. Right. So guys, this is our form of public transport here in the city, where we ride on a tuk-tuk, to call it the bajaj. Very simple, convenient, easy. Not cheap. It used to be cheap, but not anymore.
Definitely.
Nah, I think inflation is worldwide. You think it's still cheap?
I honestly feel like it's still cheap, fam. Regardless, if you compare it to anywhere else you go in the world, fam.
So, bro, tell them who you are, introduce yourself, and then we're gonna.
I go by the name of Zakaria.
All right.
Nice to meet you guys. You can find me on Instagram. It's me, Maano.
As you can see, he's also a diaspora.
Yeah.
He's out here chilling and relaxing. You can tell from the swag.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? He's trying to hide himself, but come on, bro. You know what I mean? But yeah, so you say the phone is cheap then?
It's very cheap, fam. If you really look at it,
yeah.
If you're from the UK,
yeah,
you're paying top dollar, fam. Pounds.
For
to
real.
hop in the cab. Or even in fucking Presto. What is it called? Not Presto, Oyster.
That's true.
It's the same, bro.
Because I remember being in London last year, it was bloody expensive.
Bro, ridiculous.
Yeah, so you can take like what, 2 mark shit. How much is it here? Like,
bro,
what, $2? I'm not in a dollar, right? Something around that, equivalent to that price. Is
really equivalent.
Okay. Star player. This is a star player, guys.
No.
Yes. Over here.
Yeah.
The stadium, waiting for the game to kick off. Yeah. Stadium's still kind of empty. It's a local game, so we're gonna enjoy ourselves. Let's go. So guys, there's a quite slight delay in the game due to rain. We had unforeseen rain. So now they're trying to clean up the stadium a little bit, and then big game. Top players are warming up. Blue team against the yellow team. Let's go, guys. Big game. Very organized team, and also another organized team. Alright, game's been kicked off. So it's gonna be an interesting game. So let's see how they fare out. Yeah. Air ball.
Jump shot! Again!
Bro, you know he had to finish that. He had to finish that. Otherwise, it would have been a complete failure. That was a great shot. We just missed it on camera. Yeah, scored from almost halfway point. From last minute buzzer, and that was, we missed that on camera, but that was dope shot. Go on, Zach. Just what I have seen in it. 3 shot away. Take it back. All right. Sure. Well, that number 9 is a good player, bro. Sure. Well done, Zach.
Well done. Good.
All timer. Push. But like I said, there's a lot of good talent out here that is being going unnoticed. But yeah, but you guys can see that I've seen already. I scouted out 2-3 players for the NBA, so give me a shout, guys. I got a little good project for you guys. Talented young players. See that? There's a free shot from that number 9, number 5. So there's 3 players that are caught up. Yeah! I'm excited. That's a nice layup. Making dunce. Well done, Zach. Good one, Zach. Good interception. Go on, Zach. Go on, Zach. Ah. Foul. There's some quite good talent out here that we spotted. So, like I said. Well done, Zach. Finally, we got on the scoreboard. So Zach is that guy that was in the motor Bajaj with me when he was coming here. He's one of the star players in Hassan. Yeah. All time up.
24 seconds.
Game's getting physical, bro. Getting very physical out here. It's a physical game so far, bro. Very physical game, right? Tough. Everybody's pushing each other, which is good. It shows that there's a lot of passion. Pass the ball, man. Alright guys, the last 15 seconds of the game. Very, very tight. A lot of pushing, a physical game out here, bro. One of the most physical games I've seen for a long while. Two, one, hey! Game over. Alright. Looks like the game is over, man. Yeah? Done and dusted. Tight game, bro. We had a very, very tight game out here. But the team that I was rooting for, they won. So they've won, which is a very positive aspect. Yeah? So there's a last minute shot. And he got that in. Zach, that's our boy. That's our star player. That's the boy. That's the same guy that was with us when he was coming to the meeting. If you guys remember earlier, Zach. He just scored the last point of the game. So it's been a very physical game, but this is the atmosphere here. And yeah, this is the atmosphere here. Let me go say hi to some people that I know. Yeah. Yeah, let me go see what's up to my boy. Good game, bro. Good game, bro. Good game, bro. Good game. I was tired. I was tired, bro. I was tired, man. Alright, guys, that was a tight game. Very tight game. Good to see a lot of youth enjoying the basketball games out here, and everybody's doing their thing. So yeah, that's the background. As you can see, the game was tight. Players played well. There was a lot of physical aspects which show that, you know, there was a lot of passion in the game. So this is Wiish Stadium. Yeah, this is our local stadium. So guys, yeah, man, we just witnessed the basketball game. It was pretty hard, very tight. The game was good. Everybody's playing very well. They enjoyed the game, and yeah, that's our little mini NBA league out here. And if anybody's out there who's scouting for players, let me know, and I want to give you guys a shout. All right, cheers, man. See you guys in the next episode. Welcome to Mogadishu.